It's the end of the month. You have worked so hard. Bills have piled up. Family responsibilities here and there. But your boss has refused to pay you, or he has deducted a certain amount from your salary. Is that even legal? What does the Nigerian law say about this? Hello everyone and welcome back to Work Rights Naija, the channel where we break down Nigerian labor laws in simple everyday English. I am Faustina Ehuna Esquire, and today we're going to be talking about salary wahala. What does the law say about your boss deducting your salary or delaying payment? According to Section 15 of the Labour Act, workers must be paid their salary promptly. The normal pay period is monthly unless agreed otherwise. Deliberate delay or failure to pay workers their salary is a breach of employment contract. A good or responsible employer should inform the employees of the reasons for the delay or non-payment even before the due date. But if the issue of non-payment becomes chronic, the employee might have a claim in court for damages. Employers are prohibited from making deductions from the salary of the employees for disciplinary actions or other punitive measures. Deductions are only permitted for specific and authorized reasons like the pay-as-you-earn tax, your pension contribution, payment of your dues, that's if you're a member of any trade union, and for court-ordered payments. Therefore, deductions as disciplinary measure for lateness, absenteeism, poor performance, damaged equipment, or other arbitrary cuts without the written consent of an authorized labor officer from the Ministry of Labor is very illegal. So, if you're an employer or a HR professional of any company, now is a good time to double check your company's payroll practices to make sure you have not been exposing your company to unnecessary legal risks. The biggest challenge is that HR professionals and employers always undermine employees. And my advice is that you should stop, because you never know the employee that could put your organization in deep legal mess. So review your policy to have a proper sanction grid free from deduction of salaries. It is very pertinent you know this. Of course, there are exceptions to the rules on deductions. A worker's salary may be deducted for the loss and injury he caused his employer, but with the written consent of an authorized labor officer from the Ministry of Labor. Above all, with all the deductions allowed by the law, the deduction must not be more than 1/3 of the employee's monthly salary. Also, in the case of overpayment in salary, such deductions can be made only if the overpayment is discovered within 3 months of the mistake. Can your employer deduct or delay your salary in Nigeria? The simple answer is no, except where it is expressly permitted by the law. Your pay as a worker is your right. So if you have ever experienced salary wahala, share with us in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell or subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because our next episode is going to be super interesting. Stay tuned. See you soon.